In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix issues with Google Docs not loading or functioning properly. It's a common issue that many users face from time to time, but don't worry, I'll guide you through some effective solutions to get your documents up and running again smoothly. First things first, let's refresh Google Docs. This might seem simple, but often a quick refresh can resolve minor hiccups. All you need to do is click the reload or refresh button in your browser. Alternatively, just hit the F5 key if you're using a Windows computer. Once you've done that, take a moment to check if the error has cleared. If everything's back in working order, fantastic, you've solved the problem, but if not, don't panic. There are a few more steps we can try. Next up, let's look at your internet connection, as a weak or unstable connection could be the culprit. To check this, try opening another website such as YouTube or a Google search page. If these pages fail to load, your internet connection might be the source of the problem. In this case, consider restarting your Wi-Fi router, which can often re-establish a stable connection. Alternatively, if you have access to mobile data, you might want to switch over and see if that resolves the issue. If connectivity isn't the problem, our next step is ensuring you're using the best browser for Google Docs. It's optimized for use with Google Chrome. So if you're not already using it, this could make all the difference. If you are on Chrome, let's make sure you're using the latest version, as updates often fix bugs and improve functionality. To check for updates, open Chrome and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings and then About Chrome. Here, you'll find an option to update if it's available. Once updated, try opening Google Docs again to see if that solves the issue. Another thing we can try is clearing your browser's cache and cookies, especially if you're using Chrome. Sometimes old cache files and cookies can interfere with web applications like Google Docs. To clear them, go to your browser's settings, then select Privacy and Security. Look for an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select both cache and cookies and then proceed to clear them. After doing this, reopen Google Docs and sign back in. This step can significantly improve your browsing experience by removing clutter that might be bogging down your browser's performance. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues with Google Docs. If you're still experiencing difficulties, it might be worth reaching out to Google support for further assistance. I hope you found this video helpful and that your Google Docs is back to operating smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips.